Hi everyone and welcome back to another Maths Additional Support lesson with me, Mrs. Mansouri. Today we are going to continue focusing on our subtraction, okay? So that means we are still going to be taking away, okay, but we're going to be using a different method today. So last week we focused on using objects. Today we are going to focus on just using a pencil and some paper. Okay, if you want to use some objects, then that is fine too to help you. So the first question is asking us 8 take away 4 equals. So the first thing I'm going to ask us to do today is I'm going to ask you to draw 8 circles. Okay, so I'm going to use a highlighter. Just do mine. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've done my 8 dots ready. The next thing I'm going to ask you to do is to take away 4. Well, if it's on a piece of paper, then we can't physically remove it. So what I'm going to ask you to do is to cross it out. So I'm going to cross them out. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to circle what is left, what remains. And then we are going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic. So you will write the number 4 in the box. Okay, fantastic. Let's try another one. So this time you are going to do this one and I will then solve it after you. So let's think about what the first thing we have to do. So let's have a look at what our first number is. 7. Fantastic. So that means you need to make 7 dots on your piece of paper. And then you need to take away how many? Fantastic, that's 2. So you need to take away 2. So now, if you haven't finished yet, please stop the video while I solve the answers. So the first thing I'm going to do is to make 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to cross out how many? 2. Fantastic. 1, 2. And then I'm going to circle. Oh, it's a very long circle today. There we go. How many is left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fantastic. So you're going to write the number 5 next door to your equal sign. And you have solved the question. Give yourselves a big marshmallow clap if you got that correct. If you've done a slight mistake, that is fantastic too, because you have tried very hard. So what I would like you to do, if you have done any errors, please go back and fix it now. Okay, and double check your answer. Let's do one more together. This time our numbers go slightly bigger. So how many dots do I need to make this time? Fantastic, I need to make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic. How many do I need to take away? 2. Fantastic. So I'm going to cross out 2. 1, and you can even make it into a cross if you want. 1, 2. And then what do? Fantastic. I circle how many is left over. You can do it a lot neater than me on a computer. Fantastic. Let's count them now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there is 8 left. Left. Fantastic. So there's 8 left at the end in my group. Fantastic. So now what I'd like you to do is, using that method, I would like you to try and solve these questions. And it's the same thing as what we did before. We have some questions down this side, and then we have some challenging questions afterwards. Okay, so please upload them onto Tapestry, and I look forward to seeing all your fantastic work. Bye, you one.